Sorry, but the spoiler is too big.
Yeah, the back end is super loose. Oh, no. Big no. Yeah, dangerous. That's funny how wing that is narrower than ACR wing, which belonged to the fastest manual car or fastest US car until Mustang GTD and 992 GT3 came along. All of a sudden, we don't care. Yeah. Yeah.
I put this on. I've never taken
992 RS MR. Wing is not too big. We don't care. Anyway, I'm sure there are plenty of other cars with much bigger wings out there that lapping the track daily and trains or whatsoever. Anyway, I don't even care anymore. I'm gonna take the wing off and we're gonna see how this Viper will perform on track. I want to show you something underneath.
Oh, there you go.
Yay!
This stays on.
Ah, it's there. Just a cute little shot of 400 nitrous. So yeah, well, we're gonna give it a second try of going for a lap. Tell us a bit about the car and the mods. What's done to it?
Yeah, so, well, sure, we're taking off the, the arrow, which kind of sucks, but it's your standard bolt-on car with a 400 shot of nitrous. Of course, because I'm American from Texas, we like to go fast, right? So
Texas mile,
yeah. So I usually have two 10-pound bottles of nitrous in the back. I have a separate fuel tank with C16 race fuel in the front, and I have a direct injected nitrous kit on it by nitrous outlet. But nonetheless, it's that the suspension stock, the brakes are upgraded. It's got gyro disc rotors, Hawk DCT 50 pads in the front, and then ER1s in the back.
355 tire on the rear.
Yep, got Kumo
for ECR.
Esta ACR rear tires, and then I run an even softer compound in the front, which are these brand new Hoosier Time Attack Pros. I just finished Spa this morning and decided to come here to knock out 2 tracks at once.
Nice. The car, meanwhile, has been set up by Luke, Geo by Luke.
Yep.
So yeah, now we're gonna definitely take it easy because yeah, we do not want to do anything silly without the wing. And that definitely we're gonna change the dynamics of the car.
Be careful at high speed.
Yeah.
Because, well, you have all the tire that you need, but the splitter on the front is not small, so it's definitely gonna keep the rear quite unsettled. So.
Yeah. Let's give it another go.
Yep, round 2.
Round 2. For demonstration, the imbalance of how functional the splitter is. Can you stand on it? Yeah, because that's what we like to do, but that's your car, so yeah. It's actually, chassis mounted, working. The back is not really working anymore. Sad. Big sad.
Is this one broken?
No, maybe they don't like the wing.
Oh.
Okay, einmal bitte rechts ranfahren.
Okay.
Du hast schon bezahlt, dann regel mal. Mal rauf. Ja, wir wollen das bitte. You have to check the spoiler.
Yeah, the spoiler's not wider than the car.
Yeah.
That I know.
They might have a different opinion.
Sorry, but the spoiler is too big.
It's a factory car.
Yeah, but for here it's too big.
Okay. So, how's GT3 RS is allowed?
Well, yeah, that's what I was thinking in my head. Even though it's stock
factory.
and it's like other people have driven these cars on the track.
Yeah, but how it's within the.
Okay, so please go. Thank you.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Schwerkupplung. Bought a ticket.
Yep.
At the ED gas station because I forgot my yearly ticket. Plus, I'm not allowed to use it for laps. So, as you heard on camera, Marshall said to go to the info center so Clayton could get his money back. Did that. Want to explain what happened there?
Yeah, so basically they asked me why. I told them, they said that my wing was too big, and they said they brought up this pamphlet that said, well, if your wing is too big, they won't let you on. And I'm like, well, my wing is in quote stock, and they said, oh. So then she went and brought the her manager out or something, and then he said the same thing. And then I tried to explain that I was like, look, like it's essentially an ACR. Technically, the ACR wing's bigger than mine, and it comes factory, and the car is sold in Germany, or could have been bought in Germany. And then they go and tell me, well, if the marshal says that, then that's that. And so, yeah.
I think I'm gonna give them benefit of the doubt. Maybe they thought that they didn't scan your lap and you wanted your money back for not being able to get on track, but...
Yeah, so they told me I need to email them, and then they'll give me my money back.
Oh, yeah. Alright, looks like we're on.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's a souvenir for you.
Thank you.
We'll put it in sport because I'm a big pussy now. I don't want to, with no traction and no wing, not a good idea. But yeah, let's see. Should be fun. On the braking, it wants to go everywhere.
Yeah, that makes sense. That the car's now stuck with just mechanical grip.
Yeah,
try to hold it.
But it's imbalance because the back end is just like everywhere.
Yeah.
On the steering, on the throttle, on the braking, it's... Now, it's good to have a big wing with no front splitter because then you have like understeer bias.
Yeah.
But now it's like super weird all over the place bias because the front end's being like pressed down by the massive splitter, and the rear is just like trying to figure out where the hell's going.
Yeah, and like at Spa when I had low, they felt amazing.
I can imagine. Yeah, it just like wants to go everywhere. And I want to go home, so.
Yeah, no, and I still got 3,000 more miles to go in this car, so
Yeah.
I too.
Saved by the bell.
What's your thoughts on the, I guess, the mechanical grip?
Mechanical grip is amazing. I mean, the car doesn't spin tires, so it's good. Then what else we have? It's the brakes are good, tires are good. Yeah, it's just like really no wing makes the car undrivable.
Yeah.
Like undrivable in a sporty manner.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm cruising as much as I can, but even then, like, you know, it's like, ugh.
Yeah.
heel and toe.
Oh yeah.
This is the section where you really need the wing.
Yep.
High speed and over bumps. Oh. Labo crashed the Speedster last year.
Oh.
Because they asked him to take off the wing.
Oh.
The wing was also. So I'm not going to do the same. Because you know, wings are unsafe, as you can see.
Yeah.
wobbling because there's nothing on the back.
No.
Ah, man.
Well, I mean, besides that, what do you think of the alignment? That
alignment is great as well, like, you know, but it's just the physics. You cannot change the physics.
Yeah.
If the car is set up to be neutral, and all of a sudden there is something pulling down the front, which is the front splitter,
right, and
the back end is actually being pushed up more than from factory because they have a massive front splitter. You have just like no grip on the back tires, and it makes it completely, dangerous, undrivable, but because it's dangerous.
Yeah.
Oh man. Well. I mean, this swing is perfectly fine, you know. It's also a factory car. Man, just like, I know it's salty, but it is like it is ridiculous. Like, I understand if you have some like Alibaba wing or like a GT3 wing, but this is like factory car, like smaller than a factory car.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whatever.
That was so fun though.
Yeah.
I would say a little sketchy.
Yeah.
Because it was a lot of fun.
You can do cruising lap, but
Yeah, well, that's basically what I'm gonna do. Just do one more cruising lap, and then put the wing back on.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Hope you had fun.
Yeah.